Hello everyone, it's Alexandra with WTI, and for a long time I wanted to find a nude matte lipstick that I felt actually matched properly my skin tone, and I can say I have finally found it. It's this Maybelline New York Superstay Matte Ink Lipstick on the shade number 75, which is the shade called Fighter. I love this lipstick because I feel like it goes really well with my skin tone. Something I like to do whenever I do my makeup is that I like to balance my eye makeup with my lip makeup. So if I feel like I do a lot on my eyes, I want to keep my lips subtle, which is the reason why I usually go for this lipstick, this shade, as it is a nude shade. So most of the time, what I do is I apply some lip liner over my lips, and then I apply this lipstick, and then I kind of reapply my lip liner to make sure that the edges of my lips are very well defined with this nude lipstick. And I can definitely say this shade has not disappointed me, and I will forever include it along my makeup essentials. And that is my point of view.